Yoga meditation, also referred to as mantra meditation. It's a simple yet very effective way to help calm our minds, reduce stress, anxiety, and experience the deep happiness and contentment that we seek. The word mantra is not Tagalog or English. It is actually Sanskrit and is composed of two Sanskrit words, man and tra. Man refers to the mind and tra means to draw away and deliver. Mantras are yoga sounds or spiritual sounds that draw the mind away from its problems, hassles, anxieties, concerns, and gives us rest. Mantra meditation has been passed down and practiced for thousands of years worldwide by people from all walks of life, regardless of age, gender, nationality, culture, and faith. Everyone can benefit from this practice as it does not belong to any person or group and cannot be made up or sold by anyone. A mantra and the wisdom of yoga should be gained from an authentic source. We are fortunate to have received it from a lineage of spiritual teachers called parampara, who have carefully handed it down from teacher to student in its pure and unchanged form. Mantras are names, words, and glorifications of the Supreme Being who has countless of names that all have the power to cleanse and purify our mind and consciousness. We will be sharing easy techniques that you can add to your daily life, like Gauranga breathing, which incorporates deep breaths with the Gauranga mantra. Japa yoga, an individual practice using the mantras with beads or japa malas. Another is kirtan, which is the chanting of mantras, oftentimes accompanied by musical instruments, and much more. Our mind can be restless, even giving us sleepless nights, as it thinks about one thing after another. Focusing on the mantra not only relaxes the mind, but soothes the heart and soul as well. We have different reasons for taking on meditation. A regular meditation practice gives us refuge or a resting place from the stresses and challenges we face every day. Most importantly, it leads us to the correct understanding of who we are and the purpose of our existence. Please consider trying it out and spend at least 5 to 10 minutes a day in meditation. Or you can join us in our daily meditation sessions online and experience the benefits on the mental, physical, and spiritual level. Salamat and namaste.